How to comment on a Google Docs document. First of all, open the document where you want to add a comment. Once it's open, highlight the text or section you want to comment on by tapping and holding until you see the section handles. Adjust the selection if needed. Next, look for the Add Comment option that appears just above the selected text, or tap the plus icon at the top and choose Comment from the menu. A comment box will now pop up. Type your comment in the box and tap the send button to post it. Your comment will now be highlighted, and when you tap on it, the comment you added will appear. Others who have access to the document can reply, resolve, or react to the comments as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to comment on a Google Docs document. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.